Hey guys, this is my unboxing video. Doesn't really come in a big box, but I got my Ninja 45. I mean my Empire 45, 48, or yeah, 45, 48. Right?
40, I don't know, it's one of the
48 or 45.
45, something like that.
Yeah, 45, 48 or something like that. And then my die rotor. I opened everything already downstairs because it was my birthday and I got all of this stuff. I paid for most of it with my money that I got. And then I got my i4s. The black, just plain black. I really didn't want any different colors. I got like a whole bunch of money too, so I'm going to get some mirror lens with it. And box. And then I got my Empire Axe. I've been waiting for this forever. First you got the manual, like a mini manual, and then a CD, and then this, and then the gun itself. And then you have the barrel sock, the barrel itself, and the parts kit. There's extra O-rings, springs, Allen keys, and screws. And put the barrel in.
Put the hopper and stuff together too, like everything.
And I'll put everything together.
This did not package. How does it feel?
Clamping feed neck.
With a clamping feed neck. That's the hopper. And then when I got the tank, it came with this Ninja fill nipple. That's not good.
I'm gonna put cover, actually.
Nipple covers. Oh, and it has an on-off ASA.
That's what Mikey was talking about, that spin. That's what Mikey was talking about, the way you spin it in, how it clicked.
And then, yeah, to gas it up, you just flip it on, turn gas, off, and yeah. And comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you.